Solitaire Cash lets you start playing solitaire tournaments through its mobile app, with both free and paid gameplay options depending on the tournament you choose. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to get started, where the cash games fit in, how withdrawals work, and what to check before putting any money into the app. First, download Solitaire Cash from the official App Store, available for your device, and create your account. The exact features and availability can depend on your location, so check what the app shows you after registration. Once you're inside the app, you'll see solitaire games and tournament options. The basic idea is straightforward. You play a round of solitaire, your score is calculated, and eligible tournaments compare your result against other players. If you're completely new, start with the free gameplay option, if it's available to you. That gives you a way to learn the controls and scoring system before entering paid tournaments. The biggest thing to understand is that Solitaire Cash isn't simply paying you for every game you play. Cash tournaments use an entry fee, and eligible players compete for prizes. That means you should check the tournament details before joining because the entry amount and potential prize can vary between games. There's another important distinction. Coins or other in-game balances aren't automatically the same thing as withdrawable cash. Look at your account's withdrawal section to see the amount that is actually available for withdrawal. When you're ready to request a payout, Solitaire Cash's support instructions say, to open the menu, go to Account, select Withdraw, check your withdrawable amount, enter the amount, and submit the request. The company also says withdrawals can involve a processing fee, and cash winnings may require identity verification. Verification can involve a government-issued photo ID and a selfie. For beginners, the safest way to approach the app is simple. Learn the game with free play first, read the tournament entry information before spending anything, and only use money you're comfortable losing. Also check the withdrawal rules before you start. Solitaire Cash says withdrawal processing can take up to 14 days, although players usually receive funds within 2 business days. Your bank or payment processor can affect the final arrival time. So the beginner process is: create your account, learn the solitaire gameplay, start with free options when available, check tournament terms before entering paid games, and understand the withdrawal requirements before chasing cash prizes. If you're just starting today, spend your first session learning the controls and scoring rather than immediately paying an entry fee. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 cash game guides.